So the computer stopped while I was rendering a video. Now it's not doing anything. I disconnected the cable which goes to the motherboard. Is that large cable plug. So that cable was connected here onto the motherboard. You can power on the power supply by joining a green wire with a black wire. To do that, I have a scissors here. So the green is the fourth one and the black is the third one. And if I touch those two with the tip of the scissors, then the power supply starts. I have to keep it there. If I take it away, it stops. The hard drive is starting. I can hear it. As soon as I take it away, it stops. I'm going to disconnect the hard drives for safety, to lose even less data. Okay, the mechanical drives are disconnected. Only the SSD which is below is connected, and another SSD which is below the graphics card. I will connect at least the monitor to see something. I connect the 12 volt back to the motherboard. Connect back this one to the motherboard also. So since the fans were spinning, at least I know that the power supply is okay. We have power. Now if I press the power, oh, that's funny. Now it starts. And yes, we have something on the display also. Now that's interesting. Then why it stopped? Loose connections. And this is even updating itself.